It's the next day. Pretty beat up today, a lot of back pain. Cement dried, and that part in the middle really turned out awful. I really wish I didn't touch it, but as I keep saying over and over and over on repeat, I'm not really caring about top quality too much, as I'm hopefully going to put a skim coat over the whole top of this. But it would be nice if I was actually getting better. And it seems like I do okay, then I do super bad, then I do better, then I do better, then I step down a little bit, but I don't care. Gotta get it done. Need this pad, need this space. Energy's low, body's in pain, but I've still got the motivation, so I'm gonna try and get another pad set today. Alright, let's get this frame off. Gotta reuse it for the next slab. What can I stick in there? This should do it. Where's the edger? I'm gonna run the edger on it anyway. Just to kind of clip off those little flaky pieces. That was the easiest leveling I've done yet. Crazy. Makes a big difference when, like, you've got one well leveled spot. I mean, all these areas have been so kind of shabby, but I made sure to level this one better, and it's made a huge difference on leveling this side. It was just simple. I'll bring in the tractor and load those bags there into the tractor bucket. And then when I go get the next load of cement, it's all in the back of my truck. It'll be a little bit easier. Just gotta move this. So I'm ready. I'm ready to get 50% done with my last quadrant of slabbing. Slabbing, it's not a word. Just ready to go. Ready to pour. Now we gotta get the tractor in the cement, and then we'll go. Short minutes for a new slab to be poured. Alright, this handy dandy wall brace is in my way, so I'm gonna have to move that somewhere. Hope the wall doesn't fall down again. Oh shit. Wall almost fell down. What's the best way to do it? Yep, I'm just gonna wedge a brace underneath the mixer, nail it in there, and then I'll pull this one out. Steady. Cool. Alright. I had so much overflow last time. I'm definitely gonna have overflow here. I think I'm gonna see how much I can actually pull over before I move the mixer and setup. Just see if I can get away with leveling it and not having to pour anymore. All right, there goes 2 slabs in 2 days. I'm proud of myself. I'll probably come back through a couple more times to smooth it out. Whatever, doesn't matter. I'm happy, I did it. All right, got some more cement. It took me half a day. Home Depot's still dropping the ball with their assistance and their help. Dude, man, they're just so damn unorganized. So yeah, just ends up being quicker to buy it and load it myself, which then I have to unload it again and then load it again and again. This time I got smart. I used 2 trucks. Boom, boom. So it's a little faster. On a roll, dude. So I think I'm gonna try and knock out another slab before the sun goes down. That's all we got left. That's amazing. If I can knock out 1 more today, that means I can legit finish the cement tomorrow, which would be... I want to bring the tractor in here. So that means I've got to move toolbox, this stupid big piece of junk filled with paint, move a bunch of this stuff out of the way. I don't want to move the wall, so I'm going to do my best to try and pull some dirt back without moving the wall. Yeah, first move, tidy up, get the shit out. Got to break up the cement, pull the wood, get going. It's pretty rocky right here. And this is like where the front door is gonna go. I doubt I'm gonna be able to dig much of a footing here, but since it's nice and solid, I don't think I'm gonna have to worry too much. Cool. All prepped, ready to go. Gonna measure our distance. Put down the form. Probably got to trench out a little bit for the form. And then bring in the old cement mixer and get her done. Alrighty, I've noticed got a bit of a bow on that slab. And I've leveled it across this way, which probably gives me a bow on this frame. So I'm just gonna make sure I level this frame, going along that way, and just go by that level, like kind of for the rest of this pour. It's gonna be off on that side, it's gonna be a little off on this side, so as long as it matches up to that side and is mostly level on the edge, cool. Gotta bring in the old cement mixture. ¿Qué pasó, huevón? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh yeah, I gotta get the truck. I think I'm gonna carry a load just straight from the truck with the tractor. Bring it over here, get started. All set. man, I'm getting better and better. I picked up the cement and I laid the cement today. That's huge. Day 3 in a row, 3 slabs. We're gonna let this one rest. I think that's as smooth and as good as I'm gonna or want to even get it at the moment. So we're just gonna leave it, let it dry. And look at this. We just got one small little slab to pour tomorrow. I'm freaking stoked. I'm so stoked that I'm gonna be done with the cement soon. This is like a magical feeling. Yeah, once this is in, I could like actually begin the workshop. Put the wood up, put the roof up, put the walls up, put some doors in, have a workshop, begin my new life forward. Here we are. So close, so close. I gotta come about 4 inches off of this corner, so I'm gonna have to kind of get in there and move some of that crap out of the way and just push it all around. But I do not care. I am so close. We've come a long way. So, back here tomorrow. More work. Finish up the floor. Yeah.